your strength and show me your weakness. We're in this together now. We're in this together now. Give me your love and tell me your secrets. 'Cause we're in this together now. Yeah, we're in this together now. No, 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 no. I'll keep you safe, I'll give you my everything. Even if we're falling down, even if we're falling down, all of me is yours, every part of me. 'Cause we're in this together now. You and me together now.
Okay, so today we're continuing the shoot that I'm doing with Kiara, just basically shooting all over Victoria basically at this stage. Basically she's put this lovely top on because it is quite cold down here, so she's trying to stay warm as long as possible. So I'm going to continue using the a7 III because I'm still basically seeing how far I can go with this camera. I'm using the 35 1.4 and also the 85 Batis for this shoot. I may get out the 70-200 later to do some images of Kiara walking down as well. But yeah, so we'll see how it goes. Now I'm going to light her up with the Pro Photo, I think, because it is quite dark under here and I need a bit of fill. So apart from that, we'll have a look at the images.
Oh yes.
All right, so you can take that thing off now. Just remember where you're standing roughly. Oh, you can just chuck that over there anyway. Okay, so what we're going to do here is I'm going to use the 35 first. So basically what I'm going to do is just move up a little bit. Now I've got the Pro Photo to the right hand side here and I'm going to expose for the ambient first. So I want to try and shoot as usually I do at 1.4 and I'm going to keep the ISO as low as possible and I'm on 1/400th of a second. Now I'm going to take that for an ambient exposure just to check how it is. Looks beautiful. Then I'm going to put the Pro Photo on. I'm going to try TTL first and have a look. That's pretty close. It's a bit over again as usual. It seems to be always a little bit over. And I'm going to reduce the power. Once we get this right, I can start firing away. I think that's pretty well right. Yeah, it is. Okay. All right, so just have a bit of fun. Now I'm going to get down quite low because I want to show the trees over the top of Kiara here. Now I'm shooting 35, so it is reasonably wide. I'm just using face detect, which is beautiful. That's gorgeous, Kiara. Pretty. So nice. This area is so beautiful. Let me just check. I think they're...
It's so cold.
Yeah, that's nice. I know, it looks freezing. It is cold. Here I am with a big jacket. Just take one step back and I'm just going to get you walking towards me, all right? So, and just keep your face sort of naturally towards that light. Okay, off you go. So I'm on continuous focus. Let me check. All right, let's do it once more. All right, so come towards me again. Beautiful. Yeah, it's lovely. All right, now start walking away. So go that way and then look back, but just go a bit further because I've got to get you into that light. All right, okay, go. Look, yeah, look back that way, yep. Okay, look back. Okay. All right, so I'm going to change lenses. So I'm going to go to the 85 now. And I'll get in a little bit closer to Kiara. So the exposure should stay.
Oh, you're ready now. You're ready.
Yeah, so go back again. Actually, I'll step back this way. Let me just check. So I'm going to go 1.8. I'll just check. Yeah, I think it's going to be all right. Yeah, it's fine. Okay. So now I've gone, yeah, no, it's not in. So now I've gone to the Batis 1.8 to just get a different perspective on the shot. I'm going to take similar shots before, and you can see the difference that the compression makes.
Give me your strength and show me your weakness. We're in this together now. We're in this together now. Give me your love and tell me your secrets. 'Cause we're in this together now. Yeah, we're in this together now. No, 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 no. I'll keep you safe, I'll give you my everything. Even if we're falling down, even if we're falling down, all of me is yours, every part of me. 'Cause we're in this together now. You and me together now.